Hello and welcome to a few minutes of relaxation. We'll take some nice deep inhales and exhales here. Good. And just coming into a grounding breath, meaning we just create a rhythm, a nice deep inhale and exhale. We fill the lungs on the inhale. We feel the release on the exhale. Sometimes we tend to breathe not as deeply as we need. We hold our breath without even knowing. So we're going to just give ourselves a chance to feel the rhythm, the relaxation, the re-energizing of the breath. Let's take two more right here. So from here, we're going to come into just a little bit of core work. And you can choose how intense you'd like it to be. We're going to have knees bent, the feet are on the earth here. Heart space is open. We can lean back a little bit, maybe a little more. We have the arms out in front of us. We take an inhale at center. And then exhale, we turn to the right. Inhale. Exhale, turn to the left. So we're just moving with our breath. Inhale, center. Exhale. Okay. And maybe we can lift the legs up. That adds a little intensity. You can hold on to the legs if you need to. We can straighten the legs. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's come back. One more. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. We'll come back to center. Take a nice deep inhale and exhale right here. And then let's roll down onto our backs. We'll come into a little bridge pose. Open up the front body. We roll down. Arms are at our sides. Knees are bent. Feet on the earth. We ground through the feet and the shoulders. Then we lift up in the hips. Nice deep breath. Front body opens. Grounding. We can interlace fingers underneath us if we'd like to, or we have palms down. Nice deep breath. You can come down, back to the mat. Once the back is on the mat, you can just take a nice deep inhale and exhale here. Hello there. Take a moment and pet your yoga pad in between, and we'll come up into another bridge pose. Hello. We can add a little extra. Maybe we come up onto the toes. Maybe we can lift one leg and then the other. Come back to center. We'll lower down. Nice deep inhale and exhale. Let's come into one more bridge. One more bridge pose. We lift up. Open up. Feel that heart space open. With each inhale and exhale. One more nice deep inhale. Exhale, we can lower down. You can come into a butterfly pose on your back, bottoms of the feet together, knees out wide. You let the front body release. And you can stay there on your back. Take another few nice deep inhales and exhales and just feel that grounding energy. And I thank you again for joining me for a few minutes of relaxation. Thank you, and namaste.